Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix PayPal we can't complete this right now error message. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically this error can occur for many reasons. And as you can see here on this Reddit, we can see that it can have be something with identity verification or anything, but it's probably just some PayPal bugs or technical issues. And basically, your status might not be marked as trusted, and that's why you cannot complete the operation. And one of the solution is uh, just try the basic troubleshooting, like either repeat the payment after a while, just wait a little bit and then repeat the payment again, or you can simply log out and refresh your memory, remove the cache of PayPal, and after that, repeat again. And that's really can help the problem to be solved. So as you can see here, sometimes it can be just something simple and you can just log out, clear the memory, and basically that's it. And as you can see here, it can also be an issue with the credit card and it might have been declined, expired, or canceled. So make sure that your card is still valid and you can just replace it with a valid one by going here to your PayPal. You go to wallet or just add card or bank, and simply you can start adding another card that you can start using within your application or with PayPal, and this can really solve the issue. And as you can see, the most common reason also for the error is that the billing address information on the credit card is invalid. So make sure also to have all your billing address that are correct and everything on. And if the problem still persists, you can simply just go to the support and they will give you exactly the help needed for this problem. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.